Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with personal capital for financial planning. Quick tutorial step. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Personal Capital website. Once the homepage loads, locate the Sign Up button and click on it. You will be redirected to the registration page. Here, enter your email address and create a secure password. Next, fill in your first and last name as requested. After entering your details, click on the Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email. Check your email inbox for the confirmation message from Personal Capital. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. This will take you back to the Personal Capital site to complete your profile. Now, log in using your newly created email and password. Once logged in, you will be prompted to add your financial accounts. Select the type of accounts you wish to connect, such as bank accounts, retirement accounts, or follow the prompts to securely link your accounts by entering your login credentials for each institution. After successfully connecting your accounts, Personal Capital will begin syncing your financial data. Once synced, you'll be able to access the dashboard that displays your overall financial picture. Explore the various tools and features available, such as budgeting, net worth tracking, and investment analysis. Customize your dashboard to focus on the financial metrics that matter most to you. If you need assistance, Personal Capital offers several resources, including help articles and customer support. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the platform and its capabilities. This will enhance your financial planning experience and help you make informed decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.